Okay, this video is used to demonstrate the proposed QTF probe sensor. Now we are focusing on the sensor we have here connecting to our measurement system. Okay, so it's including hardware and data acquisition card and connect to the PC by the USB cable. Okay, we have 16 slots for the sensors. Now let's run the software. So let's run. The first thing we need to select the QTF sensor, and we go to our control panel. Now we need to select on the proper port. So we use device port 1, and the QTF sensor I think is sensor 1. So we write, that means this sensor should be selected, and I go to the Windows. I go to Signal Analyzer, and if I select, put it to device 4, turn it on. Now I get my resonance. If I using the continue, okay, now I can use the cursor to grab the resonance frequency, okay, to grab the resonance frequency, and here I can use the continue. I select on the continue and start the measurement. So I'm taking all my measurement value. Sorry about my hand. So this is resonance frequency of my probe, my sensor. Okay, now back to the window here. I'm going to give some breeze blow to the sensor, see what the response is. See, when I blow the air to the sensor, the resonance frequency significantly reduced, and once I stop, it is coming up back. Okay. Now let's do some other tests. If I keep knocking on the table, see what's coming up. Okay, little bit reduced, now it's coming back. So the next thing I want to say, to get the dissipation measurement, the first thing is I need to stop this one, and need to open the signal on the sensor. Okay, let's see here. Okay, I need to change it to channel 401, and using that, and take the acquisition configuration, and take the measurement acquisition. Now, that's all. Actually, because I take too many number of sample and very high sampling rate. Okay, so if I reduce the number of the sampling rate, let's configure again and take the acquisition. Now I see my oscillation signal, and if I want to get the dissipation, so what I need is the dissipation. See this dissipation now. Okay, here is showing the amplitude reduce, and each yellow dot actually is the acquired data acquired value, and use a cursor we can find out exactly the value of the data. Now, because this function is still under development, so it's not fully finished, I can list the data value in the in the box here, but because the number of the data is so many, I think it will take a very long time. Okay, see, now it's changing to, because I changed the amplitude to our absolute value. So that's because I want to get the the curve of the dissipation, so we can find out the D factor of our sensor. Okay, of course I can use the export to Excel to put all these value into Excel file, and also I can save this file by another function. Back to here, there is the signal data acquisition. Okay, so this is another function I can use just to grab all the information.